paint with the orange?
Yeah.
Here you go. You wanna try it?
Look.
When you paint?
Eee.
Eee.
There you go. It's gonna taste just as bad as the last one did.
Yuck.
Ew.
You want to use the green?
You get?
Green?
You just said exactly what you said.
Green?
You have salt
You're
in
gonna
it.
try all the colors?
No.
Can you grab the Q-tip?
Oh.
Use a Q-tip.
Swirl it around.
Good.
Here you go. Look,
Look.
Miller. There you go.
Linda.
Can you draw
Put it
with
on
it?
your paper.
Like this. You said yuck. Miller, look. Paint.
Eee.
They all taste the same.
This is the worst food you guys have ever given me.